guys, welcome back to another video. So today I've decided I'm going to do a really quick and easy gel polish design. So I'm going to be using Madam Glam's Cat's Pyjamas, and I'm going to be using Madam Glam's Fancy Pants, which is this gorgeous reflective gel polish. I think that's probably all I'm going to be using today. So I'm going to do a full coat of Cat's Pyjamas on all of the nails apart from the middle one. I'm going to give them a quick cure for 30 seconds. Then on this middle nail, I want to do a bit of a fade. So I'm going to apply it with the brush like that, and then I'm just going to kind of feather it down. Feathering down at a bit of an angle. Right, so now I'm going to be using the Madam Glam's Fancy Pants, and I'm going to pop a little bit on my palette. So I'm going to pop a little bit on these tips. Now I'm going to get my liner brush, and I'm going to paint a smile line. It's so sparkly, it's making my eyes go funny. And then I'm going to do the same again with this one. And on this nail, I want to do loads of little hearts. So I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. What I probably should have done on this nail was I should have probably done the hearts in black and then gone over them with this reflective gel. Because the colours are quite similar, they're not standing out as much as I'd have liked them to be. So I'm just going to go over them again. Just to see if they stand out a little bit more. Yeah, they stand out a bit better, don't they? So I'm going to give them a quick cure. Right, so now I've pulled out the Madam Glam's base coat. I'm just going to apply a nice thin layer. on this middle nail. Don't really need it at the top, it's more down the bottom. I'm not going to cure that. And then into that, I'm going to add some of these gorgeous love hearts. There we go. So I'm going to give that a quick cure for 30 seconds. So that's all the design work done. Now I'm going to give them a coat of the Madam Glam's shiny top coat. I want to give them a nice generous coat of this because where I have gone over with that reflective gel, it's a little bit higher. I want them to be nice and flat.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it. You mean it.
Same with this middle one. Nice generous layer over these love hearts.
Losing track of time, buying things online and it's not like we need them. We don't need them.
In fact, I'll probably do 2 coats.
So can we just slow?
Just to make sure that it's all nice and smooth. So before I pop that in the lamp, I'm just going to flip the hand upside down. That will just draw all the gel to the middle of the nail, like so. And then quickly pop them in the lamp. So those 2 outer nails are okay. It's just these 2 middle nails I want to apply another coat of top coat. And then into this middle nail, I just want to stick some itty bitty crystals around the cuticle. Then that's them in the lamp. There we are, guys. That is my quick, easy purple Valentine's set. Nice, quick, easy design. Everything that I've used today will be listed below. I've also got a Madam Glam discount code for you guys as well, which is GG30. You'll find the website link also in my description box below, and I shall pin it in the comments as well. And that's everything for this video. I really hope you liked them, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you'll never miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.